Namaste everyone. On this auspicious occasion of Varalakshmi Vratam, I am here to present to you a Muthuswami Dikshitara Kriti in the Raga Lalita and Rupakitala. Hiranmayim Lakshmi Sada Bhajami Hiranmayim Lakshmi Sada Bhajami Hiranmayim Lakshmi Sada Bhajami Hiranmayim Lakshmi Sada Bhajami Hinamanavashayam Jajavi Hiranmayim Lakshmi Sada Bhajami Hinamanavashayam Jajavi Hiranmayim Chiratara Sampatpradam Kshiram Buddhitanayam Chiratara Sampatpradam Kshiram Buddhitanayam Chiratara Sampatpradam Kshiram Buddhitanayam Harivakshasthalayam Harinim Charanakisalayam Karakamalatrutakuvalayam Parakatamanimalayalayam Harivakshasthalayam Harinim Charanakisalayam Karakamalatrutakuvalayam Parakatamanimalayalayam Hiranmayim Lakshmi Sada Bhajami Hinamanavashayam Jajami Hiranmayim Shvetadvipavasini Shrikamalambikam Param Shvetadvipavasini Shrikamalambikam Param Bhutavovya Vilasini Osurapojitamaram Bhutavovya Vilasini Osurapojitamaram Mataramabjamalini Manikya-bharanadharam Mataramabjamalini Manikya-bharanadharam Geetavadya Vinodini Sangeetavadya Vinodini Girijam Tam Indiram Sangeetavadya Vinodini Girijam Tam Indiram Sangeetavadya Vinodini Girijam Tam Indiram Shvetakirana Vibhavanam Shvetachintamani Sadanam Shvetakirana Vibhavanam Shvetachintamani Sadanam Pitavasanam Guruhamatulakantam Lalitam Hiranmayim Lakshmi Sada Bhajami Hinamanavashayam Jajami Hiranmayim